Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Trustee Wallet. Trustee does not have a login option. Instead, Trustee works as a creating wallet or restoring wallet, which gives you full control of your crypto. And if you're new to Trustee or confused about the login process, watch this video till the end. So let's get started. First, it's important to understand that a Trustee is a non-custodial wallet, and this means you own your wallet and access is controlled by your PIN and recovery phrase, not an email or password. So open to your Trustee and make sure you already have a created account. So what you need to do is you need to agree to the terms and privacy policy of the Trustee. You need to agree to the term and policy of the Trustee, and you need to select on the restore wallet on the bottom. So if you already created a wallet before or change your phone, you need to tap on the restore wallet. Now you need to enter your recovery phrase or enter all the words manually, usual 12 to 24 words. After verification, you can set a new PIN and your wallet will be restored with all your funds. And after creating or restoring the wallet, you access Trustee by simply opening the app and entering a PIN or using biometric. And that's how Trustee Wallet access work using the restoring option. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe or share. And if you have any confusion or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.